Oh, that one did not come out good. Still works. Oh, look at that. Here we go. All right, here she goes. This is how they make cones at Carillon's. Just getting more juice. There it goes. All right, how long do you think it takes to cook them?
A minute and a half. That's what she said.
Oh, it really? All right, here we go. She's rubbing the stuff off the sides. See that? That's it right there. The only trouble is I've got this music in the background she don't want to let us use. Look at those down there.
Those are bowls.
These are bowls. So we're making ice cream things. All right, here we go. Now we're going to see how she does it. Puts it in there. Rolls it. That's it. That's how you make a cone. Damn, done. Nice.
Human pesticide.
I'm watching her make cones. Look at that one. Boom.
That's what this is called. Mackinac Island fudge. Buy the fudge, get two, get one free.
That's it.
Yep. Tom Lehman, look, got animals.
There they are. Classic cone making right here at Kilwins. Wow. Bam, done.